Hi there, students. A scrum. To scrum as a verb. So a countable noun and a verb. Okay, a scrum is a large group of people pushing and shoving. Everybody trying to get what they want. Yeah, they're pushing and shoving each other to get a place or to obtain something. So there was a scrum of reporters outside the courthouse, and I had to push my way through the scrum. Okay, I had to push hard because there was a scrum. There were some incredible discounts in the sales, in the sale prices, and the shoppers were scrumming to get the discounts. They were scrumming against each other. Yeah, or maybe in the morning you go on the underground, on the metro, and there's the wagon arrives and it's already pretty full of people. So everybody tries to scrum onto the wagon. Or if you're trying to get out and the people don't want to get out, there's this scrum and you're pushing and shoving trying to get out. And this is the idea of a scrum, a disorderly crowd of people or things. During the interval, everybody went to the bar, and there was really quite a scrum to get the drinks. Yeah, that people were scrumming to get the best seats. Okay, they were pushing, they were jostling each other. Yeah, the people were scrumming to get what they wanted. They're pushing and shoving each other. Let's see. We also use this word in rugby. A scrum is where you start the play again, and there are two groups of players who go down head to head and they push against each other in an attempt to get the ball. So pushing to get the ball. But we use this metaphorically, pushing and shoving to get what they want. A tightly packed, disorderly crowd of people. Yeah? Somebody started giving out free €10 notes, one to each person. There was a scrum of people trying to get the money. People were scrumming to get it. Okay? A scrum of reporters, tightly packed, pushing. They were scrumming with each other. Notice also a scrum. This is a word that's starting to be used in business. It's talking about flexible project management, and where you have a daily meeting with all of the members of the team. Yeah, so they have a scrum to talk about what they need to reassess plans, and this is the new business meaning of scrum. Yeah, to effectively to get down to everybody gets down together to talk about the meeting and discover how they are doing. Okay, so yeah, to scrum, a regular verb. They scrum to get the bargains. Yeah, or a scrum. A scrum very quickly developed. People were scrumming to get this, so formality. A scrum. I think I would give it 4.5 in formality. Definitely use it in an informal conversation. I think you could definitely use it in a semi-formal writing, but I don't think it's appropriate for something very, very formal. Okay, and then scrum is actually short for the word scrummage. Yeah, people were scrummaging for the bargains. That also works as well. So notice scrum is just short for scrummage. A scrummage developed in the bar. to get served. And that itself comes from the word scrimmage. Now, a scrimmage is a rough fight, but let's see, in American football you have the scrimmage line where the two teams line up face to face, yeah, and it's the play that begins with the snap. Okay, now that word scrimmage itself comes from the word skirmish, to skirmish. A skirmish is a brief battle between two groups, okay, and that in itself comes from Italian, from scaramuccia, okay, which is a skirmish, okay. So a scrum, it's like a skirmish, but everybody's pushing and shoving. It's a scrummage. So from scrummage, from scrum to scrummage to scrimmage to skirmish to the Italian word scaramuccia. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Scrum, scrummage.